Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Wilms tumor. Wilms tumor is actually the most common childhood tumor or most common primary renal tumor in childhood. What does childhood means? That means it is more commonly seen in the age group between 2 to 5 years. Wilms tumor is also the second most malignant abdominal tumor in children. The second most malignant abdominal tumor in children is Wilms tumor. But what is the most common malignant abdominal tumor in the children? Malignant abdominal tumor in the children is actually neuroblastoma. It is neuroblastoma. Malignant abdominal tumor in children is neuroblastoma, but the second most malignant abdominal tumor is the Wilms tumor. It arises from the kidney, obviously, and it has three elements. It has three elements, that is, blastema stage elements, epithelial elements, and stromal elements are seen pathologically.
thank you and thank you for watching.